To design the website, you must have the account on Google. First step. What is the first step? You must have your Google login. So what you have to do? Type site Google. That's it. Site Google. It's a Google website. It provides free of cost domain name. It provides free of cost space. It provides anything and everything for you. Free of cost. There is no need of programming language. Anybody in the world who know how to operate the computer, who know how to operate the mouse and the keyboard, in 5 minutes, again I repeat, in 5 minutes, he can design the website and he can maintain. He can earn the money on Upwork.com. If you go on Upwork.com, you can see the charges of the web developer. They are charging $20 to $40 per hour for website design. So in next 10 minutes, you can design this. You can learn the skills, design some websites, and go to Upwork.com and earn the money. That's it. So go to site.google.com. So this is the first website, site.google.com. Okay, now you can see here, this is my account. Okay, and here you could see there are already websites of Padma Festival. So here I can have multiple websites. I can have multiple websites. Okay, just I open one website for you so that you will have the idea. Just I have created one website before I come here for a demo. It's a drag and drop feature. So let us create a new website. So I just jump to my another URL bsshetty@agh.ac.in. Okay. Now my account is bsshetty@agh.ac.in. Now here go to site.google.com. Just a minute. Sites.google.com. Click on this link and here create start a new site. Click on blank. Start a new site. Blank. Or you can have existing templates also. Now this is a web page. Okay. Now here type welcome to my website. That's it. Welcome to my website. Okay. And here suppose I want to add a photo. Okay. You can have here, go to this this option pages. You can add new pages, new page. Here I want suppose the feedback of the student. Example, I have some feedback photo. So I write here feedback page is created. Now you just observe the output. Now feedback is created. Feedback home, feedback automatic menu is created. Suppose I want one more page, just go to the pages. In the pages, click on plus button. Here about me, done. Wow, great. You can check as I generate the pages, I get automatic menu in my menu bar. Next, I add one more page. New page, suppose languages I know. Languages, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E-S. Language I know. Done. What language I know? I need C language. I know C++ language. I know Java language. I know Python language. So what I am doing now? Just observe the output, guys. Here I get the menu immediately. Add more and more pages. Menu get generated. Now the question is, when I click on languages, I should get C, Java, Python under language tab. So what you have to do, just click here on C language, drag, drop. That's it. Wow. Excited? See, just drag and drop. That was simple. If you are good in drag and drop, so here net speed is little bit slow, so it's taking the time. But what you have to do, just select the page, drag the page, drop the page under languages, then you get the output. C++, great. Now I go to Java. So select, drag, select that with the help of Control plus to select करायचं आणि drop it under the language. That's it. So in this way, You can generate any website in the world immediately. That's it. So I put here Python, drag, drop. And here whatever content I want to make visible, put that content here. That's it. So Python, it is taking some time. Great, congratulations. Now you can see here languages. Is it interesting? Great, congratulations. Suppose about me, I want to add more photos. So here, click here, and here go to insert. Now here insert, I want this block. So select this, that's it. Here you have to add the elements here. Dr. Shetty Balaji, okay, and here I write my position head, IT, and 21 plus experience, okay, PERIENC, okay. I can change the font, go to the font, I can change the font name, I can change the size, I can make it bold, italic, drag and drop. That's it. It's very simple. I want to add my photo, click here, okay, upload the photo. Go to the photo section. Now suppose I want to add this image. But I want this image very small, just drag and drop. That's it. It's very simple. And here you can move this section to another section. Drag and drop. It's very simple. Okay. And next step is you can have embed your drive also. I just show it one by one. Suppose this website is created. These are the pages. And about me. Click on about me. Feedback. I click on feedback. Okay, little bit internet is slow. That's why it is showing some time. So feedback, just go to the feedback section. Go to the insert section. Here text box. Hi, I have taught many languages. Okay. Again, go to the font section. Choose whatever font you like. Choose the size of the font, whatever you like. It's only drag and drop. Okay. You can change the color here. You can change the color also. Okay, color change करू शकतो तुम्हाला माहिती. Click on publish. Now website is ready to publish. Now what is the domain? site.google.com/syit. Okay, I put here syithggs. This is my domain. syithggs. Now this is my URL. site.google.com/syithggs. Now go to the publish. Congratulations, site is published. Great. Now you can view the site. You can view the site, guys. Just go to the link I share. Okay, access. Okay, it need the access. Let it be. I will show you how to do it. So anyway, you can see the site in my desktop. Can you see this? Feedback. About me. Languages, Python. Yes. C++, C++, Java. Okay. So here, suppose I want to add something in the Java. What you have to do? Simply go to the Java page. Okay. Little bit net is slow. That's why we are getting not sufficient speed. So it's only drag and drop. That's it. There is no other thing that there is no need to reinvent the wheel. Everything there you can do anything. You can do everything in the Google website. Now what I do? I add one more button. Call to action button. Call to action button. Suppose I go here, insert, and go to drive. Go to drive. You can directly import your Google Forms. Again I repeat. You can import your Google Forms. Great. Can you see the output here? I have just shared one link to you before. You can see here Google Forms. Learn by execution. Great, great. See guys, feedback form. Can you see this? Feedback form. What is feedback form we share? That is a static URL. But here I have embedded URL in my website. No need to ask them. Open that link and do it. In your website, you can ask your client, submit your basic information if you want to contact me. Your name, your email ID, your phone number, what problem you are facing, how can I help you? What happened? He will fill up the form. Example, my email ID, suppose my another email ID is Balaji Shetty @gmail.com. Name Dr. Shetty. Okay, mobile number, I am putting my mobile number. Okay, next is email ID. Okay, email ID repeat 2 times, doesn't matter. Star means these fields are compulsory. Okay, coding experience, how many years experience I have? 5 years. Okay, and choose. Okay, this repeated 2 times, doesn't matter. And when I click on submit button, what happened? I get the record. Great, great. I get the record in my Google form. Can you see this? Your response has been submitted. In the same way, I have created one more record. Suppose the client make the payment. I want that record. So I can ask, okay, fill up the form, Google form for payment. Okay? Can you see this? Yes or no? So in this way, you can embed anything, you can embed everything in Google. You can include your Google Colab also. Google Colab where you execute the code of Java. You execute the code of Python. In Google Colab, you can run code of C language, C++ language, Java language, Python language. In the same notebook, you can embed your Google Colab and that link could be embedded. So here what I want to show you. So this is the website. I have created this website in front of you. It's already a website and here you can see here. Okay. Oh, fine. This is the website that has been already designed by me before 1 hour. This is the website designed. कोणती वेबसाईट आपली ही? Okay, इथं आहे ना आपली वेबसाईट. आता जी तयार केली ती वेबसाईट आपली ही आहे. Can you see these languages? So in this way we can design the website in Google immediately in 5 minutes using drag and drop and publish it. If you want me how to associate this website with your domain like balajishetty.com, when I click on balajishetty.com, I get my website. In the same way, this is URL site.google.com. Okay, this is URL. I want to link this URL with my custom domain. So in next I will tell you. Okay. So